last year, we got an A6 size notebook that was for the entire year. It was a monthly planner, and they decided to bring it back, but in holiday form now. So because I use a standard traveler size notebook, this A6 doesn't really fit with my others. Now, I'm okay with that, but I thought I'd use one of the main kit papers to make a cover for it. I'm just using that pen that comes with the kit to mark where I need to fold in the two sides. Now, I've not chopped a thing off the paper except for 1/4 of an inch off the top. Here's my favorite liquid glue. It's great for these papers. I just need to use a little bit of love with a binder clip, or I can use obviously the 2 clips that come in the kit as well because I ran out. This acrylic bookmark comes with the planner kit every single month, and it's meant to house our sticky notes, our long, skinny sticky notes. So what I did was easily punched a hole in it, just a very small 1/8 of an inch hole, through both of the acrylic bookmarks and on the cover of the notebook that I was using. And I had some elastic just lying around, and I threaded it through and did a knot, and then I went ahead and put one of the other ends through the bookmark, and so the elastic was on the underside. Then threaded it through the other side of the bookmark and, of course, the bottom hole of the little cover I made, and did another knot. Then I can just go ahead and add my sticky notes onto the back of that acrylic bookmark, and then I flip it over every time I want to use it. So it's a super easy and simple way to have that bookmark attached with your traveler's notebook, but it's always easy to get to while you're plannering on the go, and I can just add another chunk as I need to as the month moves along. I ended up adding a notepad papers to one of the side pockets, and then I just did a little circle cut with my circle cutter so then I could easily access those papers. I ended up switching the side of the A6 and the paper, and I love the way it turns out. Hope you enjoy this month's kit.